Welcome back to Living in Lakeland. And I'm Elizabeth Willers with eXp Realty and the Willers Homes team. And I have here with me.
Carly Bruder.
And today we are going to give a buyer's tip. And the buyer's tip today is going to be
Inspections.
yes, why are inspections so important? And what can a buyer's agent do to help the buyers? And what should the buyers look for when they are having the home that they're going to buy inspected? So, what are the things that you look for when you bring your buyer in?
Well, first, I'm at all of my buyers' home inspections. There's not a single home inspection that goes on that my buyers have that I'm not there for. As a buyer, you have to do your due diligence. The seller's agent, your realtor, we don't know every single detail about that home unless the seller has disclosed that. So when you're going through a home, you do the walkthrough, you see everything, but there's things that are underlying that you might not be able to see, and mistakes happen. And plumbing or water, there could be old systems or outdated systems that you just don't see, so you don't know about. So it's very important to have the inspection to bring those all to light.
Okay, the purpose of a home inspection is to find out if there's anything major that's wrong with the house before the buyer buys it.
Yeah.
It is definitely not a opportunity to get an inspection report and have everything repaired by the seller. That is
Yes.
not the purpose.
It's not the little things.
You're looking
issues.
for major things like mold, or you're looking for the roof that's leaking, or you're looking at the hot water heater that's so old that you know you're not going to get insurance for it.
Yeah, or like foundation, or there's just so
Leaks.
many things
Right.
that could go wrong and you don't see them. So if you can't see it, you don't know that it's wrong.
Okay, good. So let me ask you a question. If you're representing a buyer, should the buyer get a home inspection if the house is brand new?
Absolutely. Mistakes happen, and sometimes homes are built, they're built fast, that they do go through their own inspection process, but stuff happens. We're humans build these houses, and although like stuff like the plumbing and all that is new, you just never know like where something could have gone wrong. So even though everything seems new and functioning, there could be underlying issues with that building process that you don't know about. So I would definitely, if you're getting a new build, don't skip the inspection. It can only hurt you.
So definitely never waive the home inspection.
No.
That's so important because in Florida, it's as is. So it's up to the buyers to find something wrong with the home before they purchase it. So next week, we're going to give a seller's tip. So what's going to be the seller's tip for next week?
So next week, we are going to be talking about something very relevant to right now. We're going to be talking about interest rates and the buy downs. So how a seller can give credits to help the buyers be able to purchase the home.
And this is something that we encourage sellers to do instead of reducing their home because it's sitting on the market. Instead of reducing it $10,000, why not give a buyer's credit and help pay down that interest rate? So that's next week.
Yep. See you guys next week.